boys and girls, and welcome to Gorn Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday here, so that means you wish for songs and I bring them up here for you on Wednesday. So this time we have you, Alejandra Garcia. You wished for this song called Una Rosa from 3 a.m. So thank you for interacting with me here on Gorn Guitar. This one is special for you and for all you 3 a.m. fans. So let's dive into this one. All right, so we will set our capo here on the 6th fret. All right, so that is the best scenario for the song. And with that, we have 5 different chords to handle. So it goes in the same way from the beginning until the very end. I showed you here in this introduction how to play it in 2 different ways when it comes to the rhythm here, because it could be a little bit challenging here to get the right rhythm for this one. So the first 2 rounds, I played 3 rounds in total here in the introduction. So the first 2 rounds I play like it should be with the same rhythm here. But in the 3rd and final round, I showed you one easier version that works with timing and all that. It's not exact when it comes to the original song, but it works to keep a steady strumming pattern going on there. So I'm gonna explain that later. Anyway, let's dive into the chords first. So we have the starting point here with the F. That's a bar chord. So it plays a bar on the 1st fret over all strings. And then you need to add 3rd frets on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord here will be the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the G minor next. That's a bar chord on the 3rd fret now with the bar finger. You bar all strings there, and then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. Then we have the A sharps 2 in the end here. First, the A sharp sus version. So that's a bar chord on the 1st fret. So you don't need to bar the last E string here in the bass, so just 5 strings from bottom up. And then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. That's the A sharp sus. Now we have the A sharp minor version. What you do there is to just add on the 2nd fret on the B string. Everything else is the same from the sus version. You just add on the 2nd fret B string. And you get the minor there. All right, so the song goes in the same order we learned the chords. So in the same order there, F to A minor to G to the A sharps there. Sus and then A minor. All right, so we're gonna look at the strumming here that goes on for this exact song here, how they play. So we're gonna start with F, and you're gonna play this. So that is down, 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 up. So. Then you shift to A minor and play the exact same rhythm there. So, down, 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 up. Okay, so far we have the same rhythms there. From now on, it's gonna vary a little bit. So, G minor, next it will be down and then a longer pause, then down, 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 up. So, like this. So down and then pause, then down, a little bit pause again, then down and then down up. So. Okay, a little bit tricky there, but anyway, that is how it is. And then you shift to the A sharp and you play like this. You play like 1 down, pause, and then 2 fast downs. And then you shift to the A minor version and just play 2 fast downs. Between the A sharps chord there, so there's a short pause. It goes like this together with first sus and then the minor. And then after that, you immediately start on the next round again from the beginning. So one round in total will sound like this. Sorry, I was stuck on the strings there. Again, from the beginning. Alright, so that is one round. Now I promised to show you the easier version of it. So have in mind there the first two strumming patterns we played for F and for A minor. We're gonna stick to that through the entire song almost. So again, the F was like this. It's pretty straightforward there. 3 downs and then down, down, up. You're gonna stay with that. So if you imagine the first 3 downs as part 1, okay? So 1, 2, 3. That is the first part. Okay, so if you play now the F, 1 full round like you played in the original, then A minor, 1 full round like you play in the original. Then you continue with G minor, 1 full round in the same way as F, A minor, and G. Okay, you play all these 3 in the same strumming patterns. Then you're gonna play the A sharp sus version, part 1. So the 1, 2, 3, and then A sharp minor, just 1 down. Okay, so it will be like this. Alright, so that is, if you want to have some same strumming rhythm and timing going on there, then stick to this easier version. That will work for this song. That will be not the exact timing as in the original song, but it works to get through the 3Ms, Una Rosa. So this was a tutorial for you, especially for you, Alejandra Garcia, and all you 3M fans. So thank you for being here on this channel. I really like your support. And till next time, play tuned.